Making pizza at home can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here is a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1½ cups warm water, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon active dry yeast, 4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, pizza toppings of your choice, e.g. tomato sauce, cheese, vegetables, meats, etc. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, dissolve the sugar and yeast in warm water. Let the mixture sit for 5 to 10 minutes, until it becomes frothy. Add the flour, salt, and olive oil to the mixing bowl. Mix everything together until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for 5 to 10 minutes, until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough back into the mixing bowl and cover it with a damp towel. Let it rise for 30 to 60 minutes, until it doubles in size. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Roll out each piece of dough on a floured surface to your desired thickness and shape. Place each pizza dough onto a baking sheet or pizza stone. Add your desired toppings, making sure not to overload the pizza. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted. Slice the pizza and serve hot. Enjoy your homemade pizza.